From a DIY universal remote control to a broken headlight remedy, we've got 15 totally absurd life hacks. Interested? Come with me. Hey guys, we are from the channel, Another Curiosity, and here are 15 totally absurd life hacks. 15. Anti-theft lunch boxes, for the office worker who is tired of having their lunch stolen. Basically, you put your favorite goat meat and eggplant sandwiches in one of these custom zippered lunch bags. The bag has mold designed on the outside, so would-be thieves, fearing for their lives, won't want to steal it. The only downside is that you will likely run out of sandwich in the process. Still, aside from poisoning your food with rat poison, this is probably the best way to deal with lunch thieves. 14. Popcorn sweatshirt. This backwards hoodie is a makeshift popcorn bowl you don't have to hold. It also has a huge pickup area at the front, perfect for slobs who intend to cram 12 pieces of popcorn into their mouths but can only manage 6. Truly a new frontier for humanity. As a bonus feature, it will also protect your virginity. No one is going to take that away from you if you use it. 13. Spoon lid. Don't you hate it when you want to eat a delicious pot of chocolate mousse but don't have any silverware because it's against your Jedi religion? Why not try this handy life hack? Simply fold open the lid of the container and attach it to a small spoon. I'm pretty sure that's what the cave people did. Approved by Bear Grylls. 12. Universal do-it-yourself remote control. These days we have remote controls for everything. Our TVs, media players, hi-fi systems, robot girlfriends. Keeping track of them all is one of the worst first world problems there is. Seriously, there should be a petition for this. You could get one of those expensive universal remotes, I mean, if you're a sucker, but if that option is too simple, or if you're a man who likes to overcompensate, try this bulky and cumbersome solution. Just get a rubber band, common band and string all your remotes together. Does the job and looks ridiculous. A deliciously horrible life hack. 11. DIY Lighthouse. So your robot girlfriend threw you out and you broke your own headlamp in a drunken stupor. We got you covered. Try this probably illegal makeshift headlight modification. Simply take all the torches you've saved for the impending apocalypse and tape them together. It won't be able to compete with your car's high beams, but it should help you see up to half a meter in front of you. Perfect for dodging pedestrians at the last second. The only downside is that you'll probably need around 25 batteries, which will likely cost as much as a simple headlight repair, but no, screw you, you're all about the life hacks. 10. DIY microphone support. So you're an aspiring musician but sold your mic to buy drugs? No problem. You can make one yourself using that ironing board you stole from your parents. Let's face it, you've never ironed anyway. Another option is to remove the head of your portable desk lamp and turn it into an adjustable microphone stand, perfect if you want to be the next famous idiot on talkback radio. 9. DIY barbecue. For the homeless bum in you, try this great DIY grilling hack. All you need is a handy fire pit and a grocery cart. This is great for when you're at a park and want to cook that pigeon you just shot. Be sure to bring some disinfectant, because most carts spend months at the bottom of lakes. It's like a rite of passage for them. This is perfect for those times when you feel really healthy and want to spice up your life with some good food poisoning. 8. Citizens prison hack. A Tumblr user discovered a major loophole in our legal system. Sure, they figured that life out after smoking the crazy tobacco, but that doesn't mean it wasn't a good idea at the time, probably. According to the theory, performing a citizen arrest on a police officer who is about to arrest him will nullify his power and leave him free to go. It's so simple it's almost stupid. Go ahead, give it a try. Dare. 7. Ice cream scoop hack. Don't you hate it when you really want a scoop of ice cream, but damn bathtub froze on a cement block? You can take out your frustrations by bludgeoning your closest enemies with it, or you can try this remarkably well thought out life hack. Simply pop your metal spoon in the microwave for 30 seconds and it will cut through that slab of ice with no problem. Danger Dolan is not responsible for any damage to microwaves or spoons, or for any electrical fires that may occur as a result of attempting this life hack. Have a good day. 6. Portable beach umbrella. Want to go to the beach but tired of all that relentless fucking sun? Protect yourself with a portable umbrella. To do this, buy a light and durable umbrella. You will also need to be at least 40 pounds overweight. Those of you in the southern hemisphere have a few months left before summer, so pack on the weight. Simply place the umbrella's pole between the oversized buttocks for shade wherever you go. I really hope the handle isn't a hook. 5. Portable game hack. Facebook user 𝐂𝐨𝒏𝒖𝒏𝒄𝒊𝒆 posted a screenshot of this innovative, if slightly disturbing, portable gaming hack. If you're tired of having to pause your favorite console game to shower or use the facilities, try Skype or TV FaceTime so you can play remotely on a second screen. Of course, this method uses excessive data, battery life and electricity and comes with an inherent risk of electrocution, but true gamers wouldn't have it any other way. 4. Popcorn fire alarm. Don't have a regular smoke alarm? Or maybe you don't have enough batteries because you use them in your car's makeshift headlights. Try hanging a bag of microwave popcorn on the wall or ceiling. If a deadly house fire breaks out, you will be awakened by the soothing sounds of popcorn kernels exploding. And hey, if fire can be avoided, you can celebrate with a bowl of popcorn. Of course, you're probably going to spill it all down the front of your shirt because you're not wearing your popcorn sweatshirt backwards. 3. Anti-theft hack on the beach. Regular beachgoers know how fun it is to spend afternoons in the surf, splashing your loved ones and narrowly avoiding life-threatening jellyfish stings. But the only thing that ruins your fun is knowing that you've left your valuables unattended. You're basically blindly trusting others in the hope that they don't steal your shit. This is not wise. We are a race of scoundrels. For extra security, try putting your phone, keys, and money in an old, clean sunscreen bottle. Judging by the latest skin cancer statistics, no one will ever look there. 2. High-intensity electric washer. Want to clean all the gunk that's built up in your bathtub but used up all your elbow grease masturbating? Try this progressive lazy man's life hack. Simply replace the bit on your clothes drill with a cleaning brush. Just like an electric toothbrush, it will spin more, allowing for a deeper clean. Sure, it requires a charged drill battery and will likely remove paint from anything it touches, but if you're a lazy idiot who wants to look like a fool while you're cleaning the bathroom for the first time in 18 months, you can't do that. To improve. 1. Hack alarm clock. If you struggle to get up in the morning but have to because of a stupid school or job, try this handy life hack that is sure to kill your midday sleepovers. Just line up the coveted snooze button with some glued thumbtacks. The morning shot of pain will get you up and out of bed faster than a popcorn smoke alarm. This hack may be a ploy to encourage tetanus shots, but it's guaranteed to wake you up in the morning. We are producing videos on Wednesday and Friday here on the channel. If you liked it, don't forget to leave your like and activate the notification bell to stay on top of all the news. I'm waiting for you in the next video.